How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. So first is you have to go to your Instagram application and it will lead you directly here to your homepage. Now the next thing that you want to do is to go directly to your archive stories. So to have an archive stories is you have to set all your story settings into archive, where if you post a story, it will automatically be saved on your archive. Now, to do that, to delete all the archive stories, is you must go to your profile here, and then on the upper right, you'll see the three dash lines there. Just tap on that, and you will see different options, and just go directly to archive here. Now, here you will see all the archive stories that you have actually uploaded, or all your stories that you have uploaded. And to actually delete all the archive stories is there is no options to delete all archive stories. So you have to go through one by one. So let's say you want to delete five, or so let's say you want to delete all your archive stories. So you can't do that. Again, you can't do that, but you can actually delete your archive stories by deleting one by one. Now, to do that is you go here, you tap on the story that you want to delete, tap on more, and tap on delete. Now here, delete this story, so you will be able to restore your unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories from recently deleted in your activity. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So just tap on delete, and basically your archive story is deleted on Instagram. So if it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your Instagram application. To do that, you have to go to your app store, your play store, and just update that there, and then you can go back to our tutorial. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.